Hello, it's Harrow from Thomas Bird Shoes, and in this video we're going to be taking a closer look at some brogues. So here on my left we have 7 variations of Thomas Bird brogues. A brogue simply refers to the punching of the leather upper, in this case on the toe. This is a style called Ellington. It's a whole cut lace-up Oxford, which means that the upper is made from a single piece of leather, and the decorative brogue pattern here is quite simple and elegant and just accentuates that beautiful elongated toe shape. We'd recommend Ellington for men with a standard width fit and also with a standard height of instep. Not suited for men with a broader foot. A variation on Ellington is this model. It's a style called Soho. Here we have it in a beautiful, rich, hand-antiqued brown leather. Like the Ellington, we have the brogue embellishment on the toe. It's a whole cut Oxford, but the main difference with this style is that it's available on an all rubber Vibram studded sole. Soho is slightly shorter than Ellington and a little bit more roomy on the joint, so it's suitable for men with a standard or even slightly wider than standard foot. Next we come to a model called Cambridge. Here we have it in our antiqued light tan. Now this is what some people may consider to be a more traditional brogue. So you'll notice that there's a lot more punching and decorative, in this case, wingtip pattern on the upper. All our shoes and boots are made in Italy, handcrafted, Blake stitched, and also secured with brass pins, and in this case a half rubber top piece. Now brogues can also feature prominently in boots. This is what we'd call a more rugged commander style boot. It's a style called Montana, and you can see here you have the punching in the wingtip, but also this gimping here all the way around the pattern. So Montana, as you can see, is a shorter, more rounded toe shape boot, suitable for men with a standard or even slightly broader than standard foot, and comes on a Blake stitched, lightweight, commando style rubber sole. Next up, quite a contrast to the Montana. This is a style called Sterling. It's beautifully elegant and simple. Has the same punching that we saw originally on the Ellington, and here we have it in a hand finished aubergine purple material. Okay, moving on, we have this lace-up style called Madison. Now this one doesn't come with any punching on the toe, just a very classic sweeping wingtip and some side punching here. And this style is a derby, not an Oxford, so the facings will open out. As a result, Madison will accommodate a foot which is slightly broader than standard if necessary, and also a marginally higher instep. So traditionally, the use of having punching on the leather upper is simply to allow water and moisture to drain away from a shoe. So it's very prominent in outdoor walking and country style shoes. Since then, they've become more of a decorative dress shoe feature. And here we have it appearing on our style called Harrow. Very subtle, just a single line of delicate punching across a stitched cap. This is the lace-up Oxford, here available in tan leather on a 2-part all leather with rubber insert sole. So that rounds up our collection of brogues. Which one is your favourite? Please feel free to send us your feedback. Write any comments in the comment section below. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.